Good morning, dear students. Today, let us learn about note making. So, note making is an important skill for every students. So, dear students, you have been already making notes from different classes. See, today let us learn how to make the notes. See, this question carries 4 marks. This question carries 4 marks in your annual examination. The question number is 31. The question number is 31. See, so then what is note making? See, here is a paragraph is there. So the given paragraph which contains 5 to 10 sentences. So note making is nothing but reducing this into few words. That is called as note making. So it's a reduction. So 10 sentences are there. Turning those 10 sentences into 8 to 10 words. 8 to 10 words. So this is note making. ಟಿಪ್ಪಣಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಟಿಪ್ಪಣಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಕೆಲವೇ ಶಬ್ದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 8 ರಿಂದ 10 ಶಬ್ದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಟ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ 8 ರಿಂದ 10 ಶಬ್ದಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಂಶಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು learn these 8 to 10 words, so you are going to comprehend the whole paragraph. So that is note making. So you have to make the notes in such a way that these 8 to 10 words may give the meaning of the whole paragraph. So that is called as note making. See, so another word for note making is summary writing. So summary writing. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥ, ಸೊ summary writing ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So nothing, it's a reduction, reducing. ಸೊ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, 10 ಸಾಲು ಇರೋದನ್ನ 10 ಶಬ್ದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ summary writing and then reducing or the reduction. So how you are going to make the notes? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, see first you should know the title. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಟೈಟಲ್ and then headlines and then sub headlines. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್, ಸಬ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್, and then points, so and then sub points. So in this way you can reduce a paragraph into different points. So title and then subheading, so title, heading, subheading, points and sub points. In this way, you can make easily the notes. So ಟಿಪ್ಪಣಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಸಬ್ ಹೆಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಸಬ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ the given paragraph and understand the given paragraph. So reading. So and then what you have to do? So you have to analyze. So analysis ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ. So analyze the given paragraph and then synthesize it. So what you have to make? So first analyze and then synthesize and then relate. So in this way you can make the notes. Analyze, ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ. Synthesis. So ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕತೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಲಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇನ್ನು ಸೊ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಮೋರ್, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ದೀಸ್ 8 to 10 words, so 8 to 10 words notes in the form of a flow chart, so you can make the flow chart. Dear students, it's a sample flow chart. See, here it comes the head, so the title, so and then these are all the sub headlines. These are all the headlines and sub headlines and sub points. So if you make the flow chart, so easily it's rememberable. So if you make the flow charts, you will not forget the notes. So that's why it's better to write the notes in the form of the flow chart. So the reason you will remember and you will not forget, and there is a sequence will be there, and there is a link will be there from one to another. So title, so headlines, sub headlines and sub points, so they are interrelated. So the whole paragraph can be written in the form of a flow chart. In this way it is highly helpful and handy. You can write all subjects like this in the form of the flow chart. So this is about the note making. So usually while you are listening the classes, so the classes will be lengthy. So while making the notes, you may use these points. So summarizing, reducing, so analyzing, synthesizing and relating and making them into title, heading, subheading, points and sub points, and converting these points into flow charts. It's a highly helpful for you. So this is all about the note making. So this is all the theoretical part. Actually in the examination it's very sure, it's very easy. Surely you will score 4 out of 4 in the examination for the note making. Such an easier exercise this is. All of you will damn sure you will score 4 out of 4. Such an easy exercise. So there will be 5 to 7 lines, paragraph and a flow chart. Just read the paragraph and answer the flow chart. So there will be clues. Based upon the clues, you can answer the different blanks. Such an easy exercise. That much easier things. See, let us so go for this paragraph. Let us see how we can make the note for the given paragraph. See, dear students, so in the examination, it's an examination question. They have given the simple paragraph and also they have given the flow chart. So the chart is like this. See, Shimla is in. So this is blank number 1. So this is blank number 1. So attitude. So altitude. So altitude. So this is blank number 2. So established by. So this is blank number 3. So next for the months, of so coldest months are so 3, so 4, and then this is 5, 6, 7, 8. See, dear students, so this is the flow chart. The whole of this is the flow chart. So the whole paragraph is written in the form of the flow chart. Flow chart ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So these are all the clue lines. Shimla is in clue line. Altitude, clue line. Established by, it's a clue line. ಸುಳಿವನ್ನು ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ. For the months of, coldest months are. So like this. So these are all the blank number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like this. So 8 blanks are there here. 8 fill up the blanks ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಅಂಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು 8 ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಅಂಕ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ 8 ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳ ಇದೆ, 4 ಅಂಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ is a hill station in the lower Himalayas in Himachal Pradesh. See, first you have to read the passage, so and then just yourself understand the main topics in the given paragraph. So Shimla, so and then lower Himalayas, Himachal Pradesh. Sorry. Then so attitude. So this is the attitude. Several hill stations. So Britishers. So coldest month. So summer season. So crowded. So like this, these are all the main words. ಈ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಮಾಚಲ್ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು? ಹಿಮಾಚಲ್ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ, ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎತ್ತರ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. an altitude of 2.213 meters. So 2.213 meter. So this is answer number 2. So this is the altitude. So established by established by the British. So blank number 3 get the British. So answer is the British. So for the months of, actually to beat the heat of the places in the months of May and June. So the Britishers have built this Shimla hill station in order to protect themselves from the heat in the summer season. So for the months of May and June. See, for the months of May and June. So for the months of May and June. And then see, the coldest months, it snows here. So December and January, February are the coldest months. So coldest months are, so you have to write the coldest months. So that is, so December and then January and then February. So these are the coldest months. In this way, you can write the chart, flow chart like this, and you can fill up the blanks with the given words. So like this. So this is the example for note making. So such an easy exercise this is. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಗಿಂತ ಹೊರಗಡೆ, ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಳಿವು ಇದಾವೆ, ಕ್ಲೂ ಇದಾವೆ. ಆ ಕ್ಲೂ ಅನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು 8 ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ 4 ಅಂಕ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಅಂಕ ಇದೆ. 8 ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 4 ಅಂಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ write the flow chart. So by drawing and filling the given blanks. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಚಿತ್ರನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಿತ್ರ ಬರೆದು ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನೋಟ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. No, even one more example. Let us see. See, so the question will be like this. So read the following passage and make notes by drawing and filling in the blanks given below. So you have to make notes. So by drawing and filling in the blanks. ಈ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು by drawing and filling in the blanks. See here, so let us see. So the North Pole is called Arctic, and South Pole the Arctic is hollow at the tip of the globe. At the tip of the globe, and the Antarctic is a corresponding bulge at the bottom. Arctic Ocean is 5 square miles in area, and the Antarctic continent is so 51 lakh square miles. So this is 55 lakh 41,000 square miles, and this is 51 lakh square miles. So the average depth of the Arctic Ocean so 4,200 feet is equal by the feet. So dear students, this is the given passage. So here if you read the given passage, you are going to understand that this is all about Arctic and Antarctic. So the North Pole and the South Pole. See, and about its height. So this is the information. For this, the given flow chart is like this. So the flow chart is like this. So two poles. The two poles. The two poles. So is called So dear students, so like this, so this is the given flow chart. So blank number 1, so and then blank number 2. So already here it is blue is given Arctic. So this is blank number 4. So this is blank number 3, bulge, and then the depth, that is blank number 6, and then Arctic Ocean area, blank number 5, so and then elevation, so Antarctic, so Antarctic continent. So area, and then it's an elevation. So like this is the given flow chart. So here two poles. So 2 poles. So here North Pole and the South Pole. So North Pole and South Pole. So North Pole is called as Arctic. So North Pole is called as Arctic and the South Pole is called as Antarctic. So and then fourth blank. So Arctic. See, Arctic is hollow. See, like this. The Arctic is hollow. So the Arctic is hollow. So Arctic Ocean area. The Arctic Ocean area is here. It is. So 55,41,000 square miles. And then so depth. So average depth of the Arctic Ocean is 4,200 miles. So 4,200 feet. So and then Antarctic continent's area. So that is 51 lakh miles. So and the elevation is 6,000 feet. So like this, the whole paragraph can be represented in the form of the flow chart. See the title, the 2 poles, and the sub headlines: North Pole, South Pole, and then see sub headlines and sub points: Arctic, Antarctic, hollow, bulge. So Arctic Ocean area and the Antarctic Ocean area, and the depth and the elevation, how much it is there, like this. So you have to answer this by drawing this flow chart. Compulsorily you have to write the chart. Some of the students just they write the blank number 1 and answer. Sometimes the evaluator may accept that answer and sometimes they may not. It's for safer side, it is better to draw the flow chart and then answer. So every blank will contain the half marks. Easily you can get 4 out of 4 marks. Such an easy and simple exercise it is.